motion. There's a force, the first law of inertia. An object at rest will maintain to stay at rest. An object moving will continue moving where you. If you push something on wheels, it will keep rolling, of course, until something stops it. Although if it is not pushed, it will stay the same. That is inertia, which is the first law. Now on to the second, it is something new. Newton's law of accelerations to the laws of motion. The laws of motion. The laws of motion. If you apply pressure until the gas pedal, the car will go faster and slower when released. Acceleration is increasing, decreasing speed, also changing direction, as you can see. The third law of motion, law of action and reaction. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. The laws of motion. The laws of motion. The laws of motion. If you drop a ball on the table, it will bounce back with the same force. Things keep on moving because of force. Isaac Newton made these laws, the laws of motion.